Hey y'all, it's Johnny at 330, and this is going to be a riding video on my Craftsman here. There she is. I finally got her running. Got that 12.5 horse. She's running now. This is not a cold start since I just ran it like a few seconds ago. It's full tank of gas, and the tires all pumped up on it. There's still a few things I need for it. The tips right here, I gotta get a new one of those, both sides. Right now they just touching so I can crank it. The seats, the back of it's in good condition. This right here, I'll probably just get a cover or something. I'm not buying a new seat for it. Yeah, I really don't know what to say. I'm gonna pressure wash it whenever the weather gets a little better. Y'all can probably see on the screen there's sprinkles of rain. It's sprinkling right now. It's been doing that for the past 3 days. On and off raining, but anyways. Let's go for a ride. Alright, let's fire it up here. Alright, I'm just going to ride around the back of the shop here, because it's really windy and rainy. I'm going to put it in 5th gear. I ain't done that yet. Woo! Goes faster than I thought it did. Man, that thing runs great. I can't believe that. And I got this thing for free, and look at the condition it's running in. Wow. I don't know if I'm going to sell it or not. Kind of think he's backfiring. I don't know why. Hey, look, it's 4 wheels. Wow. That's all I can say right now is wow. I can't believe that thing runs that great. Thank you so much, Landon, for giving this thing to me. My buddy at school. So, anyways, there you go. I'm glad y'all could watch the progression of this Craftsman getting into running condition since I got it in rough condition. So, open this door here. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next video. Oh, and thanks y'all for saying happy birthdays for me today, since today's my birthday. And yeah, I'll see y'all next video. Y'all come back now here. Bye.